Dinner reservation? Check. The perfect gift? Check. A few spritz of your favorite fragrance? Check, check, and check. Now all you need is to pick the perfect hair and makeup combo and you're all set for the most romantic night of the year. Luckily, I have done the work for you and here's an insanely sexy, utterly romantic beauty look for you, which will definitely set you apart from the typical Valentine's Day makeup look. Welcome to Blush With Me. On a winter night, don't forget to moisturize your face and prime it. My moisturizer is from Rodan & Feel and my primer is from the brand The Ordinary. This makes the foundation glide, using less product to avoid looking cakey. I'm now going to use Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation in the shade Golden Natural. I'm not yet blending it, I'm just dabbing it all across my face. And before I blend it, I'm going to use the Tinted Highlighter by Butter London. Mix liquid highlighter with your foundation and apply in different intensity on different parts of your face. I like liquid highlighter better than powders. Fresh look doesn't mean overloading your face with highlighter. Just dab it on the areas of my face that I want to highlight. I really like to work with the liquid highlighter if I want to create that natural glowing skin effect. Now whatever is left on my brush is all that goes on the rest of my face, creating a very subtle glow everywhere. I'm going to use the base by Other Stories as the corrector. This is very light and once I use it I need much lesser concealer. I'm now using the Gel Serum by Sephora in the shade Pecan Pie. Use concealer sparingly. You don't want it settling down in your fine lines. I want the makeup to last and look fresh for a long duration, which means minimum concealer and maximum glow. I like to blend my under eyes with my ring finger. The warmth of my finger will blend it far better than any brush. I'm not yet going to blend the concealer on my nose. I'm now using the foundation stick in the color Espresso by Bobbi Brown to contour my face. Use a full coverage brush like this one from Bobbi Brown to blend this cream contour. Now use your finger to blend the contour line on your nose. I'm not going back and forth, up and down, nothing. Just dab it in its own place. Now blend it with the concealer that's on the bridge of your nose. Make sure both the lines are completely blended. Now whatever is left on your finger, just dab it on the sides of your nose. I want to create a look that makes my face look lifted and pulled back, which means I don't want to show my hooded eyes. So I'm going to use the concealer stick one more time and contour right here. Now blend it in outward strokes. Since this is a gel concealer and does not settle in the fine lines and creases, I'm going to use this as my eye primer. These two things, according to me, are one of the most important steps if you want your eyes to look more youthful and lifted and you don't want the appearance of hooded eyes. This is how I highlight and contour my eyes. From my Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics, I'm going to use these three shades: Blow, Instinct, and Lethal. I'm now using Instinct, which is a very soft mauvy shade, All the shades for today's look are going to be in the family of mauve or plum shades. I'm now going to use lethal just as a straight, clean sweep. I'm again using the softer instinct shade on my lower lash line. Now use a big, thick, soft shadow brush to blend it all outwards and in upward strokes. Instead of a black eyeliner, I'm now going to use Color Tattoo in the shade Gunmetal by Maybelline. So because I'm not using any shine or shimmer in my eyeshadows, they're all pretty frosted and matte colors, I'm going to use this color as my eyeliner to create that really nice shimmery eyeliner. Create a lifted sharp line towards the end. And just to give it a little more definition, I'm going to use the Ico Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. This creates a nice elongated eye look effect. I'm now using a mascara called Better Than Sex by Too Faced. I don't know if it's really better than sex, but it looks really nice. Very long and thick and voluminous lashes. Before I use the mascara on my lower lash line, I'm going to use the Endless Silky Eye Pen by Pixie in the shade Opal Overcoat. I use this color to fill my waterline on my lower lash line. This makes your eyes appear bigger. No spidery lashes, please. Everything looks magnified when you're so close to someone. In order to make your lashes look longer and thicker, don't land up using those mascaras that make your lashes look kind of spidery. Very unnatural. For my lips and cheeks, I'm going to use the shade Infuse by brand Bite. Yeah, you heard it right. I'm using the exact same color on my cheeks and my lip. Just blend it in so you know it's in equal parts on both your fingers. Don't be scared. It'll all blend in. It looks more hydrating than the powder blush. This creates a really nice flush cheek look, which is very fresh and dewy. Brow Perfecting Powder by Nomad. I'm going to stick to the natural shape of my eyebrows so that they don't look painted or overdone. I'm now using the same shade. I like to apply it with a brush. I like this lipstick from Bite in the shade Infuse. Even if the lipstick gets wiped out, it still leaves a nice deep plum stain on your lips. It's important if you don't want completely nude lips after halftime. Think velvety and creamy lips. Not the over-drying matte lipstick or too much of the shiny lip gloss, at least not me. Or the wind can toss my long silky hair straight into my gloss and create the catty whiskers. Apart from that, too much gloss looks like you're returning from a greasy pizza party. Just a little bit of gloss right in the middle is fine. I'm going to use Namaste by Tarte. So, this was my satin finish makeup. Looks are just one part of any date. Blush with me-Parmita is here to empower you in many more ways. Now that makeup is done, next week I will be back with tips that can turn a date into a lasting relationship. Or if you're just looking to avoid a repeat of your latest dating mistakes, do join me next Thursday. If you see the Blush With Me logo at the bottom left of my video or the red subscribe button below this video, click it to subscribe. Like the video and share your comment if you liked it. I will also share my modern classic red lipstick video link below this in the description, which is also a great look for Valentines. Today I have chosen plum shades. Do write to me what is your choice of makeup colors this Valentine's, and if you're willing to experiment, if you try this look and post pictures on Instagram, do tag me. I have 2 accounts on Instagram. One is da-da-da and da-da-da. What? You don't know about it yet? I thought everyone knows my Instagram account. Yeah. It's blush with me underscore Parmita, and the second one is Parmita Katkar underscore photo factory. Follow me there. Bye for now. Hope I'm giving you reasons to blush with me.